By 2027, AI will be writing more than half of all new code produced globally. That's not a prediction, it's already happening in top tech companies. And if you're a software developer, this changes everything. Visual, fast montage of code scrolling on screen, AI-generated code being reviewed, shocked developer face. The numbers are staggering. GitHub Copilot, one of the most popular AI coding assistants, already generates nearly 40% of code in projects where it's used. That's not just boilerplate, that's real, functional code. And it's getting better every month. According to a recent study by McKinsey, AI can boost developer productivity by up to 55%. But here's what nobody talks about: if you double productivity, you don't need half the developers. Visual, split screen showing human coding versus AI generating code simultaneously, with productivity percentage overlay. This is where it gets interesting. The first wave of impact isn't about replacing developers entirely, it's about replacing the tasks that developers do. AI excels at pattern recognition, debugging, and writing standard functions. Things that junior developers spend years learning. Companies are already cutting back on junior developer hires, because AI can handle those tasks faster and cheaper. A recent report from Stanford found that AI-assisted coding reduces the time for routine tasks by over 50%. Visual, graph showing declining junior developer job postings over time, with AI adoption curve rising. But it's not just junior roles. Even senior developers are seeing their workloads shift. Instead of writing code from scratch, they're now reviewing and integrating AI-generated code. The skill set is changing. Problem-solving and architecture design become more important than syntax memorization. If you're a developer, the smartest move is to learn how to leverage AI tools, not fight them. Visual, senior developer looking at multiple AI suggestions on screen, making decisions, with thought bubbles showing strategic thinking. Here's what nobody talks about: the rise of no-code and low-code platforms. Tools like Bubble, Webflow, and Microsoft Power Apps allow non-technical users to build complex applications without writing a single line of code. These platforms are eating into the lower end of the development market. By 2025, Gartner predicts that 70% of new applications will be developed using low-code or no-code technologies. That means entire categories of software development work are disappearing. Visual, person dragging and dropping elements on a no-code platform, building an app quickly, with no-code badge flashing. But wait, there's a twist. While AI is automating many aspects of coding, it's also creating a massive demand for new kinds of expertise. AI systems need to be trained, fine-tuned, and integrated. New roles like AI prompt engineer, AI ethics specialist, and AI systems architect are emerging. These roles pay even more than traditional development because they require a blend of technical knowledge and creative problem solving. The key is to pivot, not panic. Visual, job postings on screen for AI prompt engineer, AI ethics specialist, showing high salaries, with a person transitioning from coding to these new roles. So what does this mean for you? If you're a developer, the golden rule is, specialize in areas where human judgment still matters. Complex system design, security, ethical AI implementation, and cross-domain integration. These are fields where AI is still weak. And if you're not a developer, now is the time to learn the basics of AI interaction. Because in 5 years, knowing how to use AI tools will be as essential as knowing how to use a computer today. Visual, person studying AI specialization courses online, with icons of complex system design, security, ethics floating around. Here's the bottom line: AI isn't going to replace all developers, but it will replace those who refuse to adapt. The developers who thrive will be the ones who embrace AI as a partner, not a threat. They'll focus on high-level thinking, creativity, and system architecture, the things machines can't do. And for everyone else, the question is, are you ready to learn a new way of working? Visual, developer working alongside a holographic AI assistant, collaborating on a 3D architecture model, with future-ready text overlay. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, hit that subscribe button. We're diving deep into how AI is reshaping every industry, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. The future is already here, are you ready for it? Visual, Agent Zero logo with subscribe animation, then quick montage of AI robots, futuristic city, and code streams.